So today we're gonna try out this variable speed polisher and buffer on this vehicle right now. So we're gonna show you all these accessories that it has. It comes with a sander if you're doing body shop. This is the pad to put your sandpaper, your buffer, the cloth to polish it, and it comes with a handle. We're gonna put the handle. You always need it because it's a big machine, so you don't want to use it without the handle. And for the speed, you want to put it on a speed that you can control also. The speed, you want to put it at a speed that you could able to control. So be careful with it because it's a powerful machine. So this is the pad that goes on the back, so you can put the rest of them. And it's screwed on. It's really easy. And we're gonna show you on the back. It has a button that you gotta press to hold it. So we tighten it up. It locks the nut. Just hold it like that. There you go. It's locked. So today we're gonna show you the speeds that this buffer has. We're gonna turn it on. That's number 1, going low, 2, 3, 4. And you don't wanna go super fast. You wanna go like a 3. So what we do.
Side, all right? Look how yellow it is. Look at that. Look at that. Go ahead. Yeah, that's good. Look at this. Before. Now we move on to after. You can actually see the glass now and the mirror and the light bulbs.